I don't have his hand. I don't have his cards. I don't have his chessboard. How can you or I tell someone else to do with their chessboard, their gifts, their talents, and their dollars, and their calling? Who are we to tell somebody to do with their calling when we haven't done the most in capacity with our own calling? So I learned that I thought I shouldn't have done a Tulsa real estate fund, and I thought somebody with a bigger platform should literally have done it to get other results. Somebody who's even better in real estate than me, who's done more deals than me, better in finance than me, somebody with the master's degrees, somebody with the CPA degrees. Bro, y'all all got a chance to do it. Had a chance before me to do it, had a chance since me to do it, and since us, Trust Life. Everybody has an equal opportunity to launch a bigger and better fund, since our fund gets the most scrutiny out of everything. Or you have an opportunity as an influencer to be a fund manager. Go put in your SEC application right now. I did it with 3 felonies and a bankruptcy.